Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Recruiter for job searches. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to LinkedIn's official website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your registered email address in the first input field. Click on the Next button. Input your password in the second field. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the homepage. Type LinkedIn Recruiter into the search bar. Select LinkedIn Recruiter from the drop-down suggestions. You will be directed to the LinkedIn Recruiter login page. If prompted, enter your LinkedIn email and password again. Click the Sign In button. You will now be on the LinkedIn Recruiter dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. Use the search tools to filter candidates based on your requirements. Start your job search by entering specific keywords or criteria. Save your searches for easy access in the future. Review candidate profiles and reach out as necessary. You are now ready to navigate LinkedIn Recruiter for your job search needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.